Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your eBay account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ebay.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official eBay website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top left corner and then proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to verify your account and you haven't done it already, hover over to the account icon at the top left and then click on Account Settings. Now you will be taken into your account page, from which tap on Personal Information and you will see your Contact Info section. Here you will see the Verify button alongside your verification method that you have not verified yet. Click on this button and you will be asked to enter the security code that has been sent to this email address or phone number, whichever one you choose to verify with. So just log into your email address and you will find your security code from eBay. Just type in this verification code within the given box and click on the Verify button. And now your email address has successfully been verified on your eBay account. You can do this process with your phone as well to get it verified on your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to verify your account on eBay. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel as well if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.